Here we have the loading area. As you can see, we have the same high clear height of 24 feet. You've got chained storage for anything that you need to bring in and store. And this leads literally 30 feet from here, leads straight into the large assembly area. As we continue on here, we will be heading into another open area right off of the worship area. Again, right here we have another set of restrooms that have 6 stalls each. This is right off of the open assembly area, and it's probably another 10 to 15,000 square feet of lower ceiling area. This is about a 9-foot ceiling in here with the same under raised flooring. And this, you could break this out into multiple assembly rooms. This could be a smaller worship area, but it's open. It's got a good amount of natural light and a number of breakout rooms on each side. These rooms off to the side are fairly small, measuring about 10 by 15. White boards in each of them. Very much the IBM standard of equipping all of their rooms to be assembly rooms or meeting rooms.